Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arual Longar, Miss World South Sudan 2017. I am a student at the university, pursuing a course in human resource management. I am a loving person, caring, kind-hearted, and outgoing. During my free time, I love spending it with children from the youngest nation in the world. I represent determination, resilience, and the strong culture of the people of South Sudan, the yet to be discovered destination with limitless potential and opportunities. I am so excited to be part of Miss World pageant. I can't wait to meet the other beautiful queens from across the world. See you at Miss World.